Versatile functionality. This multi-use 2U vertical patch panel bracket enables you to mount your server, data, networking or AV equipment vertically on a wall or horizontally under a desk for added versatility. Sturdy design. Constructed to EIA 310 19 inches rack standards, the black wall mount patch panel bracket features a solid steel design for ultimate durability. The rack can hold up to 125. 3 pounds, 56. 7 kilograms, to ensure your equipment is secure. No assembly required. The open frame, L-shaped rack arrives fully assembled with cage screws for mounting equipment and 1.5 screws for mounting the rack to wood surfaces. It's a convenient solution for all your SOHO, small office, home office, rack needs. Standardized hole sizing. The wall mounting holes on the 2U vertical mountable rack bracket are 16 inches center to provide greater stability and match standard wall studs. It works with most 19 inches rack mountable equipment for ultimate compatibility. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent price and quality. The frame is very sturdy. I had no problem installing my server on the mount. The price is very reasonable. Thanks.